Okay, this is another short video driving in the rain. Now look at the cars up there. The water stays on this street. It's running down, but it's running down pretty good.